easy to study about Filipino language because they have a dictionary, Tagalog, English. English or Tagalog, they have a dictionary.
You understand English?
So, easy to understand if you study about dictionary English Tagalog. Where did you go? Saan ka patungo? You are a handsome boy. You are a handsome boy. Sa Tagalog, in Filipino, guwapo ka. Guwapo kayo na tao.
Guwapo ka.
Guwapo ka. Handsome, you are handsome. Babae, the girl is beautiful girl. You are ugly, you are a pangit. Pangit kayo. Ugly.
Are you pedaling before and you switched to electric, or?
I am I am a tricycle driver. Tricycle.
Motor?
No motor. You tricycle like that.
Oh, like this one?
Like that. And then when my legs was cut because I have diabetes, they cut my legs. That's why.
Oh, yeah.
My daughter buy this. I cannot manage to tricycle because I use the legs. Now I am one leg only.
Oh, one leg.
One leg.
So before you're always pedal.
Before when I was happy days, I am a tricycle driver. I use my legs, two legs.
And now you use electric.
I use it. That's I'm so happy because I survived, and then I can earn money for this. This came from China.
Yes.
China diet.
You survived diabetes.
Yes.
And you change your diet?
Change your diet.
You eat less meat, more gulay, more vegetable.
More vegetable.
Very good boy.
Not so
Good man.
sweet. Not so sweet. Sometimes a bit. When my sugar is high, I use
Injection?
injection with my sugar is high.